them more often.
I love cauliflower simply roasted in the oven, but a little bit more effort, and we have here quite presentable, delicious, nice and easy dish. I cook cauliflower to my liking, which is slightly al dente still. Lots of good olive oil once it is out of the oven. This recipe is even easier than the cauliflower cheese. And by the way, the link to my cauliflower cheese is in the description to this video. And I think the neat way of separating cauliflower into florets, bite-sized pieces, I'm aiming at is to cut the stalks, but the actual floret bit, just tear it apart sort of with your hands. Do not cut it with the knife. This way they just separate neatly. And we don't have those little drips and drops which we will have if we cut them with the knife. Only one egg, not two, because I have extra large size eggs here. A teaspoon of paprika, some salt and olive oil. Quite a lot. I want to keep it simple and no more spices here. Paprika only gives a color, really.
I like using breadcrumbs. I think I use them a lot, especially of late in various recipes, salad dressings, etc., etc. On top of pasta. Right now I actually run out of them, so I will quickly make some out of those random cheese crackers I have here.
Literally a minute, and I have much more than I do need for this recipe, so I just store the rest away. Quite coarse breadcrumbs I have here, so 2 good handfuls went in. If I would have a garlic powder, I would have added it. As it is very few ingredients, we want to taste cauliflower itself. That's why I don't add too much egg as well. It's not an omelette we're aiming on here. Yeah, and I could have done it from the beginning in the baking dish. So would save on washing a little bit. So give it a good mix. And now some strong cheddar. I used about 70 grams here. Probably could have done with a bit more, like 100 grams. I did cover the dish with the foil for a first about 20 minutes. And altogether it was in the oven for about 40 minutes.